Hi guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I want to show the new case H6 NZXT. And my friend Anton already built almost, and I will ask some questions and we will show all case, good things, bad things, everything. Anton, can you tell us about this case, because recently you built?
So the H6, really nice case, I love it, unique looking, you know, have extra airflow here and looks pretty cool. Only one thing guys, make sure your 360 millimeters radiator will fit on the top, because here my fence is not fitting. So what I did, I just cut it, one of the fans by the multi-tool, which is like so-so solution, but it works. Yeah, everything else I like it. It's really nice case design, and I will buy more. Next build will be white one. Thanks.
Oh my God, you are the devil.